Farah Wahidah Hashim from SMK Abdul Rahman Talib, Kuantan, Pahang. Okay. I have been teaching for about 8 years. Okay. I'm teach ICT and also mathematics. Community of teachers in my area. Recently, we have chosen as a Microsoft Showcase School, so that prove our teachers in the school are using technology into their learning process, and also we have been selected as a high performing school October last year. Okay. So let me go straight to the learning activity. So my learning activity is to produce a multimedia project. Okay, this is for ICT students. That can be also to be used in different subject also. Okay, because the student have the freedom to use to choose the subject that they want to be taught or present in their multimedia project. Okay, it can be biology, it can be physics, chemistry, physical exercise, everything. Okay, according to their interest. Okay, so basically, they have to include 5 elements of multimedia in their projects, and also all the phases of multimedia production, okay, in their multimedia projects. Okay. So first, they have to form a small group, okay, where they have to choose the subject, the title, problem statement, project requirements, target audience. Okay, they have to have a brainstorming session where they have to sit together, discuss what tools they are going to use, what requirements, who will in charge for making videos, who in charge with graphic editing, sounds editing. Okay, there's a lots of things involved in the multimedia production. Okay, so they have to work together as a collaboration with other students, not only in their groups, but also with other students in their class. Okay, so they also have to find information through another teachers, through their seniors. There's been a few seniors that have finished their school. They have come to the school to help their junior to complete their multimedia project. Okay, so why did I choose multimedia production? So multimedia production actually is one of their coursework for SPM, ICT SPM. And what I found when I first taught this subject is kind of boring. They just use PowerPoint presentation and puts all information and show them. And then when they present, they just read. They just read from the slide, okay? And all the videos, all the graphics are from internet. And I don't want that. I want them to explore, okay? I want them to explore, to build their own video, to take great pictures, okay? So I want them to use real problems, investigate. For example, last year I have one student that used she go to the government office and investigate how to open the company. It's a ice cream company. Nowadays they have a machine like with a stick, and then with 5 minutes the ice cream is developed. Okay, so she want to make a company that sell ice cream. So she go and investigate how to open this company, what form she has to use, how to fill the forms. Okay, so when she comes out with the presentation, multimedia presentation, even the KH teacher were amazed. And my colleague asked me to pass the multimedia project of this student so that she can use in their learning activities. Okay, that's what I want in my learning activities. This process involved so that they can experience more. Actually, if we know that ICT actually is a hands-on, okay, we want them to use the tools, okay, use the camera video, use tablet, use any facilities that they have in the school, okay. Since we are a smart school, we have a lot of facilities in the school. So I want them to utilize all of these facilities, okay. So that's through collaboration, to real problem solving. Okay, so for self-regulation, so I give them about a month, okay, a month to complete their multimedia project. Okay, so they have to plan their activities, plan their tools that they want to use. Okay, and also they have to revise their multimedia project based on the feedbacks from the teachers, from the seniors, from their peers. Okay, before they are doing the final presentation. Okay. Skill. Okay. So for communications, as I say earlier, they have to present this in front of their peers, and most important to the other teachers that have related to their multimedia project. Okay, this is inquiry because this is to make sure that they have fulfilled the content of their presentation. Okay. So ICT for learning, as I say earlier, I want the student actually to use all the facilities, okay, and all the software. Okay, so I have not limited them to use only Microsoft PowerPoint, which actually most of them are using Microsoft PowerPoint, maybe because they are familiar with that, okay, with this software. But also other software like Auto College, movie makers to develop their videos, SoundForge for sound editing, okay, Photoshop. There's a lot of software as long they use it for to complete their multimedia project. Okay. Okay. So student reaction. Okay, student reaction. First, maybe they are reluctant to do this. Okay, because it takes a lot of their times. Okay, when you are producing multimedia production and you know it, it have take almost their times, free times to do this assignment, these learning activities. But when they get into it, they actually have fun because they're the one who use the technology. They're the one who create the multimedia production, and when other teachers that see and praise their works, it's made me proud. Actually, we can see more from our students. Okay, we do not have to limit their imagination. Okay. So for future plans, I have. I think I want to find another organization that can help the student mastering in their multimedia project. Okay, for example, last week I have invited one of my student that have a company producing multimedia project. So they have sharing, they share their digital expertise, okay, and how to produce a good multimedia production. And I hope there will be more organization that involved in this project, so that they know it is a real life situation, okay? Especially when they work in ICT field. Okay, that's all from me. Oh, okay, see my video. Okay, this one during brainstorming session, and that one with the grey shirt is my ex-student. We have Digital Bone Company, expertise in producing multimedia production. Okay, so this one, all the ideas from the student. Okay, as you see, there's a camera, handphone, laptop. Okay, they even have session outside the classroom, outside the lab. Okay, this one is during their presentation.